Hi, welcome everybody. Today we're gonna change transfer case fluid on the Porsche Cayenne 2014 year model. It's a GTS trim version. I've replaced the fluid once, and this is just a second flush, just to remove anything else that's left over. And the fluid that we're going to be using to fill up, it's this boy. It's DTF-1 from Triax Premium Lubricants. It's an OEM grade transfer case fluid for Porsche Cayenne and Macan.
Drain this bad boy. Keep coming. As you can see, the fluid is burned and black. All right, the fluid is drained. Now let's close the drain plug and get ready to fill up the liquid. There we go. Nice and easy. Nice and smooth. Good job. As you guys can see, I have a little bit of tube and a funnel just to make to transfer the fluid much easier. It's very useful to get something like this for yourself. I think it cost me on Amazon about $6, and I highly recommend it. Getting it makes the job from frustrating to easy. That's it. As you guys can see, the fluid is dripping. The excess. All right, let's close this bad boy. My hands are shot. Yeah. I feel like I just lifted a couple thousand pounds. Okay. All right. Where's my key?